This week I have kind of a silly book for you. It's called Zug the Bug's Big Book by Colin and Jackie Hawkins. And I think you'll agree that it's silly because they keep using the ug chunk, like Zug the Bug. And they'll do it over and over. And here it says, I'm Zug, give me a hug. And this is another thing that's silly about this book. Because they keep using the ug chunk, guess what? When you turn the page, it doesn't turn the whole page. Ug is always there. So let's see what happens to Zug in this story. Have you heard of Zug the Bug? I'm Zug the Bug. That's Zug. What a big bug. He went fishing with a dog called Pug. Hi, Zug. Hi, Pug. What will they get? We're going to turn the page. Ugh. When their rod gave a tug, help me, Zug. Hang on, Pug. What's down there? Slug. Out of the water popped a big, fat slug. Ugh! It's a slug. Look at that. Isn't it fat? Ugh. We've caught a slug, said Zug. So Pug and Zug did hop and hug. Hi, I'm a slug. Silly Zug. Clever Pug, give me a hug. Hug a pug? Hug a bug? I told you it was silly, right? Let's take Slug home, said Zug, and they put him in an old milk jug. Okay, Zug. Whee! This is for me. Into the jug, slippery slug. There goes Slug into the jug. Slug. Slug inside the jug was very hard for them to lug. Push, Zug. Pull, Pug. Will you always lug me? Fat slug, heavy jug. Mug. Home at last with Slug. They all had milk from a big tin mug. Isn't this snug? Milk in a mug. I'm next, Zug. Glug, glug. Milk from a mug after a slug? Ugh. Rug. Then, warm and snug, Zug, Pug, and Slug went to sleep on a bright red rug. They're as snug as a bug in a rug. Happy Zug, he's a bug. And there you have it, Zug the Bug's Big Book. Now, join me in a minute here with a blank sheet of paper and a pencil, and today we are going to draw another bug, which is just another word for insect. So let's see what it's going to be. So boys and girls, I hope you have your piece of paper and a pencil. Today,
I'm going to be very brave and use my black marker pen so that you can see my drawing really well. So this week's insect or bug is going to be an insect that you will probably start seeing a lot of when the warm weather gets here. So like all insects, it's going to have 3 body parts, and we're going to start up here with its head. So we're going to make a circle, and then we will give our insect 2 eyes. And there's a little trick I've learned. When you color it in, color it all dark, but leave a little white spot. And then we can put a little smile, although this insect doesn't really have a mouth like that. But 2 other things that we can add to its head that I know you know all about. These are the antennae. And remember, insects use them to smell. That's one of the things their antennae do. Okay, the next shape we need to add on is sort of an oval, and this is the middle part of his body. And since it's an insect, we know it will have not 3 legs, not 4, but 6 legs, 3 on each side. And now, the last part of this body is another kind of big oval. And then we're going to draw a few lines here, like this. And I hope you can tell that this insect or bug is an ant. And there you have it.